Okay, we have here a 2012 Yamaha Super Tenere. This is a stock exhaust or boat anchor, whichever you prefer. Let's have a listen. Very quiet. Okay, and here's the 14-inch tri-oval Delkevic exhaust. I have the adapter inside for a little sound buffeting. Without it, it's fairly loud, but I like it. So let's give it a listen. I have about 10,000 miles on it. So it's a little worn. It's been through some long trips and a few rainstorms, so it's tarnished slightly. Let's listen. I did have to add some insulating tape. I went to Home Depot and bought some kind of a aluminum foil sticky tape just to coat the underside of the turn signal, because I've heard that it can melt the turn signal. So it's just added protection. I also added some of that material to the inside of my pannier just to play it safe. It already had some heat shield, and you can see a little bit of discoloration to the heat shield that came with the pannier, but I haven't had any problems with it. Like I said, I've got about 10,000 miles to it. I think some of the other longer exhausts that Delkevic makes, you might have issues with, but this one's worked out pretty well.